Hi, I'm Everett Skinner IV, and today we're going to show you how to raise one of our post and beam carriage barns, barnyard style. What makes our post and beam barn so easy to build is that we pre-cut everything in the shop with our state-of-the-art CNC machine. All the timbers are cut precisely to 1/100th of an inch. Each part is numbered, labeled, and checked before it arrives on the job site. The timbers themselves will arrive in smaller package units, all shrink wrapped, on a tractor trailer. You'll need a small forklift or a lull type machine to unload the timbers. You want to have a crew of about 4 to 5 helpers to raise the frame. They don't need to be experienced timber framer, just an average builder with even minimal carpenter experience be able to easily raise one of our frames. The next step in the process is to build the bents. Right now what we're putting into place on this bent is called the tie beam. This is the heaviest beam of the whole structure. So when you're assembling the tie beam, the braces and the beam all have to come together as once. It's amazing to see all the timbers all connected with only authentic joinery with oak pegs. It's the barnyard style to leave 1.5 inches of the peg exposed for a decoration. We round over, sand over the top edge of the peg to give it a nice smooth over finish. We are going to start setting the bents. We have 4 bents to set in place on the foundation. The bents will be installed, then the rafter plates go next, and then the trusses and the rafters are the final portion of the raising. This will be a memorable day that you'll never forget. You'll have your family, friends all helping, and it's a project that'll last with you for a lifetime. These floor joists are dovetailed and just drop right in from the top. So we're going to go ahead and start on one side and install all the floor joists. The rafter plates can only run along in one direction. So on this plan, we have to start from this side of the building and work down. Setting the rafters is one of the most rewarding parts of building the carriage barn. Now that we have all the rafters set at the principal post locations, we can start infilling the middle of these lean-to rafters. Now we're installing the arch piece for our signature bow top window. This would be a very difficult piece to cut by hand only with our CNC machine. It took our team only 2 days to raise this 32 by 32 carriage barn. If you're looking for the most authentic post and beam barn, from the timber sill to the heavy timber rafters, you have it all with the Barnyard's Carriage Barn. We look forward to working with you on your project.